At Siding and Windows Group, we're specialized in turning your worn-out exteriors into stunning transformations. Today, we're showcasing a farmhouse revival in Chicago, Illinois, featuring James Hardie siding in mountain sage with rich espresso trims. But first, let's start at the beginning. This farmhouse that was built in the 1940s has seen better days. The old wood siding was faded, weather-beaten, and just didn't have that classic charm anymore. The homeowners wanted a fresh look that stayed true to the home's character while adding durability and style, and that's exactly what we gave them. For this project, the homeowners went with James Hardie lap and board and batten siding in the color Mountain Sage, a rich earthy green that blends beautifully with the natural surroundings while giving the home a fresh and timeless look. To tie it all together, we combined Mountain Sage with James Hardie's custom color Rich Espresso for the trims, adding a bold contrast that brought the exterior to life. With over 40 years of experience in exterior remodeling, we've built a reputation for providing homes with durable protection and striking style. As certified James Hardie contractors, we are proud to be Hardie Elite Preferred and to be the top James Hardie installer in all of Illinois. Chicago homeowners, let's bring your visions to life. Give us a call or visit our website for a free consultation. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on our social media for more content like this in the future.